Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Roma's Life and welcome back to another episode of cooking. And today in my kitchen I will be teaching you how to make sweet and sour chicken. It's a Chinese dish. So let's just start with ingredients. We need a boneless chicken cut in cubes. This size is preferable. And in vegetables I have taken one small tomato cut in cube shape and carrots, onions and capsicum and some green chilies, and we also need chunks of pineapple, soya sauce, vinegar, red hot sauce, tomato ketchup, ginger garlic paste, salt, black pepper, white pepper for sure, and plain white flour. So what you're going to do is first you're going to add one heaped tablespoon of plain flour to your chicken. Don't add anything else, just a plain flour. That's it. I'll use my hands to mix them. Mix it thoroughly, and then one by one take your chicken and add it in pan to fry. Don't add anything in oil except your chicken and let it fry. You have to fully cook your chicken on a low medium flame. Just fry it and take it out once it is done. And you can serve this dish with egg fried rice or chicken fried rice. I have made egg fried rice. So if you want egg fried rice recipe, you can comment down below and I will have a separate episode on how to make egg fried rice. So I will let it cook until it gets golden brown and fully cooked. Then I will take it out and I will continue my recipe. So guys, here I have taken my chicken out. It should look like this. And to the same pan, to the same oil, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and to this I'm going to add my ketchup. Guys, please ignore my dirty stove. I'm going to clean it tomorrow, I promise. Okay, it's like 3 to 4 tablespoons of ketchup. And the key to this dish is you have to mix it for like 10 minutes. This mixture, just keep mixing it for 10 minutes. Don't add anything, not a single drop of water. Just keep on mixing it. And guys, one more ingredient is missing here, which is sugar, because it is sweet and sour, so the sweetness is going to come by sugar, or you can also substitute sugar with honey. Honey would be a good substitute, but I don't have honey here, so you can add honey for sure. Just keep on mixing it. So after 5 or 10 minutes I will meet you guys. So guys, after 5 to 10 minutes add 2 heaped tablespoons of sugar and mix it. Don't you worry, I'm going to add vinegar as well, so all together they create a beautiful taste. So yeah, right, and in this I'm also going to add hot sauce, which is my favorite. 1 tablespoon maybe, or half tablespoon. And soy sauce. Sorry, I have to open it with my mouth, that's why. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. So guys, now I have added 4 tablespoons of vinegar, and yeah, this is the sauce, and to which I'm going to add chicken pre-cooked and all of my vegetables along with green chilies. And don't forget your pineapple and with its syrup. So just guys, look at this. It looks beautiful. Guys, I'm sorry about my stove. It's really dirty and I will clean it tomorrow, inshallah. And just mix it, and it's time to add a little bit of the seasonings, which includes salt. As you know, we haven't added salt, so salt to taste, and black pepper, so guys, after adding all the seasoning, add 1 cup of boiling water and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And after it starts to boil like this, mix this corn flour mix, which is 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and mix with water. So it's gonna help us thicken the gravy, and just give it a stir. You can omit this part as well. I was serving it with rice, so I wanted to keep a little bit of gravy. Let it cook for about another 5 minutes and it is done. So guys, here we go. Our delicious sweet and sour chicken is ready, and I'm going to have it with egg fried rice. And I hope you like the video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and inshallah I will come tomorrow with another exciting recipe. Do try this recipe, and I will see you tomorrow, inshallah. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.